Hello guys, welcome back. Have you been to a trail that has lots of mud puddles? You might have noticed if you go into one of those puddles, the mud goes into your face, worse, into your eyes, or maybe even in your mouth. If that's you, this is a video for you. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a front mud guard in less than 5 minutes, and it costs you less than $2. And it looks like this. We've been planning on putting mud guards after we ate a fair bit of mud on the trails. So we had to do something about it. You have an option to buy mud guard from a store or make your own. We decided to make our own because it's pretty much looks the same, but it's cheaper. And you have plenty of options on materials and designs to make. The things you need are just search for a template that fits your bike, then you can print it out. But if you don't have access to a printer, it's a bit tricky, but you can manually draw the shape of the mud guard on the plastic folder, which we use the plastic folder because we only got it for 90 cents each, and it comes in different colors, so you can make it the right color for your bike. In this case, I used blue, and the right texture for a mud guard. You just need some scissors, some scotch tape. This is optional, but it makes things a bit easier. You can use a hole punch, but if you don't have one, you can use like a box cutter or maybe even a drill. And then you just need some cable ties to tie the mud guard to your bike. So first, you would need to just roughly, don't really cut it, just roughly cut out the template. Just outline of the template. Be careful not to cut the lines of the template. And then you get the template that you cut, and then get your scotch tape, and that's why you roughly cut it. So you can basically just tape it down and cut the tape, and just tape the scotch tape down to the. So once you have taped the template to the plastic, just cut out the template but with the plastic. Just be careful cutting the edges. You can go around to the other side. Just be careful, since it is harder, you might accidentally force too much pressure on the paper that it goes to the other side, like the inside. Now you have your shape. Once you have cut the plastic out, just tape the template to the plastic again so you can punch holes. But eventually you will get it to punch. Just wiggle it. So you just need to remove the tape. So now you have this, and then you get your zip tie. You need to weave it. So this, you get your 4 zip ties and you weave it. So the ones on the edges. So the mountain of the mudguard is the back part. So you want the zip ties to be going down to the front, because the mountain is the back, and you want the bumpy side to be up, and you want to do the weave starting under and then over. It's not over under, it's under over, and it's the same thing with both sides, but if you get in the middle, it's gonna be over under, but it's the same thing. It's the bumpy side up and it's going down. So now you just go and attach it. So the mountain is the back. Here, you just insert it. Don't like tighten it fully. Just get it, but don't do it so much so it's loose. If you need to make any tiny adjustments, then you get the ones from the side and do those ones. You make sure it's like the right length the whole way through. Move it forward and then do. And then you want the zip ties to be towards the back. If it's towards the front, it's the wrong way. So here you have it. We made a custom-made mudguard for less than $2. Now we have this sick mudguard, and it also matches my bike. Like the blue, because there's not much blue on my bike.
Happy with it?
Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Okay, I'm gonna write it. Get the stick out. I'm gonna try this. decided to try these mudguards the following day on the trail. My trail impressions were the mudguard did its job to keep the mud out of my face most of the time. The amount of the mud on the down tube is about the same, but I'll keep it on my bike because it looks really cool too. Hope you learned something in this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please put them in the comment section down below. We'd love to hear it. If you enjoy this video and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe. See you in the next video.